Good morning, dear students. I'm Kuheli Bose with you. Today we are going to discuss about the Delhi Sultanate, spread of Islam to India and early conquest of the Arabs, foundation of the Turkish rule in India, sources to reconstruct the Delhi Sultanate. The Islamic culture was introduced in India by the Arabs, who entered India as traders and later made their settlements on the western coast of the India. Foundation of the Turkish rule in India. Mahmud of Ghazni made several invasions on India. He raided many cities including Mathura, Kanauj, Gwalior and Somnath, and carried away India's rich treasures to his country. But Mahmud was not a ruler so far as India was concerned. In fact, the foundation of the Turkish rule in India was laid by Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and ruled for vast territories from Ajmer to Delhi. After death of Muhammad Ghori, he was not had any successor, male successor. So, his General Qutbuddin Aibak laid the foundation of the Delhi Sultanate under a new dynasty, popularly known as the Slave Dynasty. Now we will talk about sources to reconstruct the Delhi Sultanate. Sources to reconstruct the Delhi Sultanate. There are many literary and archaeological sources to reconstruct the period of the Delhi Sultanate. Literary sources. The literary sources are many, such as Tarikhi Firoz Shahi, authored by Ziauddin Barani, Prithviraj Raso, authored by Chand Bardai, and the writings of Minhaj us Siraj. Archaeological sources. Monuments. The Sultans of Delhi Sultanate built massive and magnificent structures. One of the magnificent architectural structures belonging to the period of Delhi Sultans is Qutub Minar. The construction of the Minar was started by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1199 AD when he was the viceroy of the Muhammad Ghori. It was completed by Iltutmish in 1230. Inscription. The mosque, tombs, minars, palaces and other buildings were engraved with decorative letterings. These inscriptions, mostly in Persian, are a valuable source to reconstruct the political, social and religious history of the age of the Delhi Sultanate. So students, in this video we discuss about foundation of the Delhi Sultanate and sources to reconstruct the Delhi Sultanate. In our next session we will discuss about the other dynasties of that time period. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.